Hello everyone, my name is Siev Vannary. Today I want to share what I learned from the fundamental communication class with teacher Jim. And my topic is talk about the mindful communication. Yes, everyone know that communication is very important in our daily life. And we can keep in touch with each other. But how we can communicate with effectively? So we need to communicate or make communication with the mindful, and this is we call mindful communication. And what is mindful communication? Mindful communication, it means that talk and listen with the compassion, kindness and awareness. Before we start conversation, we need to be ready, especially when we have a big meeting or professional meeting also. And we need to choose the place, because place is always important also. Because place we can choose the place that we can pay full attention and listening well. And we need to choose a topic also, because we cannot jump around all the topic. We need to choose a specific topic to talk with our partner. After that, we need to check speed of our speaking. Don't try to speak fast, because our partner cannot catch what we want to talk about. Just speak it slowly and make our partner understand what we want to talk about. About the tone of voice. Tone of voice, we can show our feeling to our partner. If you make a tone of voice like a louder, our partner saying that today we don't feel happy. We feel anger inside. So our partner don't want to talk with us. And one more, if for example, is our partner ask me or ask us that, hey friend, how are you today? And you reply that, or you answer the question that, yes, today I'm okay. But how our partner thinking about our feeling? He may think that our feeling is sadness today. So he maybe have make a little bit conversation with us. Not more like before when we have a happy, but if we reply that, yeah, today I'm very happy, or today I'm okay, I'm good, it means that make our partner like more and want to communicate with us. After that is the listening. Listening is the most very important. We cannot listen, just listen, or listen by head, but we need to listen by heart. Because if we listen by heart, we can reply or answer the question of our partner well and correctly, and don't make our feel of our partner get pain or make them hurt also. And also understand or deeply our partner feeling. In addition, if our partner talking about something that disappointed, we don't like, or make our feeling get pain, we no need to judge them or stop them when they're talking, but let them finish their conversation or finish their sentence. After he finish, we can tell them what we don't like with a positive way. Don't like so our feeling like anger to her or to him. It's not good to our attitude or behaviors also. And one more thing that I really want to add is, before we start conversation, we need to do the meditate 4 or 5 minutes, that we can make our feel like open, more and more open and relax. And that's all for my topic. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.